Picking up and drinking from this cup without spilling it is a relatively simple task for me. But for 7.5 million Parkinson's patients worldwide today, that can seem impossible. That's because Parkinson's is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder that today is unstoppable and irreversible. The standard of care for this disease is a drug called Levodopa, or L-dopa. It was discovered in 1955. Dwight Eisenhower was president in the United States. The standard of care for Parkinson's, the drug that we use to treat our loved ones, was discovered 65 years ago. Why? Why is this problem so hard? Why is this disease so difficult to understand and the treatment so difficult to develop? Well, it turns out that there are hundreds of millions of people worldwide that suffer from degenerative conditions where the same is true. The healthcare system has labeled them intractable, meaning we really can just manage symptoms. Heart failure, 34 million people. Medicine really doesn't have a powerful answer. And the dark reality is, the reason is these diseases are intractable is because at their root, they have the common element of the loss of a healthy tissue cell. And once that cell is lost, it's very difficult to develop a drug or a device, biologic, to replicate that, to replace that. We simply cannot replace the exquisite natural function of a cell with the medicines we have today. We need a new approach to this problem. The existing approaches aren't working. We need something that could reverse the degenerative condition that might offer the promise of restoring the function. And that's what at BlueRock and Bayer we are working to do, and we believe we're pioneering. BlueRock is a wholly owned subsidiary of Bayer Pharmaceuticals, but we operate independently within that structure. That gives us what we think tremendous advantage because it gives us the access to a global, world-class pharmaceutical organization with all the expertise and resources that entails, tens of thousands of experienced colleagues in areas that we could never hope to hire ourselves. Similarly, it allows us to focus on the challenges that we do best, which is the research and early development of these breakthrough new medicines. It allows us to focus on translating that science into the medicines of the future. We think this is the best of both worlds. It offers both independence and support. It allows us to go faster, but at the same time do things that have never been done before. And together, Bayer and BlueRock are harnessing this new science for a better life, and we hope a more steady life.